In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Angel One account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Angel One application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Now, in order to create the account, you'll have to provide your mobile number. If you have the referral code, you can tap on this option, have a referral code and enter the code. Now, what you have to do is tap on the field of enter mobile number and enter the mobile number over here. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to create the account for yourself. Now what you have to do is simply enter the OTP sent to this specific mobile number. After you do that, the phone number will be confirmed. Now what you have to do is simply enter your email address. After you enter the email address, you'll also have to confirm it. What you have to do is simply enter the OTP sent to your email address. Now after you do that, your email address will also be confirmed. Now in order to use your account, you'll have to follow through other processes. The next step is to verify your KYC. Simply go through all the processes. You will have to submit the government issued document in order to verify your KYC. After you complete your KYC journey, you'll also have to upload the Aadhaar card. Simply upload it. Now next step is to fill in your bank account details. Simply provide the bank account details that they ask for. After you do that, you'll also have to take a selfie in order to verify your identity. Take a selfie as directed by them. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your signature. Once you enter your signature, your account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account. So that is how you create Angel One account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.